This is a room tour of 10028, a fountain king room at Bellagio. So as you come in, the bathroom is on your right. It's got an enormous shower. I mean, you could have a party in there, it's that big. You've got double vanity, nice big mirrors with lighting. You've got a makeup mirror in your toilet. And then you've got a full length mirror. And then this is the main area of the bedroom. It's really nice. You've got a sofa, little table, another table over there, your mini bar and your TV. And then here's your closet, which lights up as soon as you walk in. Your safes here. You've got robes, very nice. And then we'll open the drapes and shears are opening on a touch of a button. And then you get the view of the fountains. We got a complimentary upgrade. Not sure exactly what we were meant to be getting because it was a MyVegas Comp one night, so don't know what you get on that, but we asked nicely for a fountain view and she delivered. It's not a very high floor, but I'm sure it'll be a lovely view at night. The only downside is they need to clear the windows, but other than that, it's all good. So that's the review of the Bellagio Fountain King Room.